I have done 30 plus certifications and am here to guide you throughout your certification journey. Today, we will be covering an important topic and questions related to that topic of the ServiceNow CSA exam. Today's important topic is reporting. What is reporting? ServiceNow's reporting feature allows users to create, manage, and analyze reports on various data across the platform. These reports provide visual insights into data and are useful for operational monitoring, troubleshooting, and decision making. About its key features, it has five key features. Those are scheduled reports, report types, interactive filters, data sources, and dashboards. We will be going towards the questions now. You can find the complete PDF of this video and our practice questions through the link down in the description. To the important questions. Question 1. The report designer contains different sections for configuring your report. Which section is used to specify grouping and calculations to be run against the data? Here in this question, the section that is used for this purpose is configure. As such, the correct option is C. Configure section is used to specify grouping and calculations to be run against the data in the report designer. Question 2. What ServiceNow feature allows you to include data from a secondary related table on a report? Here in this question, the feature that fulfills this requirement is dot walking. That is, the correct option is B. Dot walking is the ServiceNow feature that allows you to include data from a secondary related table on a report. Question 3. On the reports page, what sections allow you to see which reports are visible to different audiences? Here in this question, the sections that allow us to see which reports are visible to different audiences are group, dashboards, global, and admin. As such, the correct options are A, E, F, G. Question 4. What is the key difference between reporting and performance analytics? Here in this question, the key difference between reporting and performance analytics is that performance analytics contains snapshots of data taken over time. Reporting shows only the data as it is at the moment the report is run. As such, the correct option is A. Question 5. As it relates to ServiceNow reporting, which of the following statements describes what a metric can do? Here, the statement that describes what a metric can do is that a metric is used to measure and evaluate the effectiveness of IT service management processes. As such, the correct option is C. To the other important questions. Question 6. what is generated from the service catalog once a user places an order for an item or service. Here in this question, once a user places an order for an item or service, a request is generated. As such, the correct option is C. Request is generated from service catalog once a user places an order for an item or service. The order could be placed in production environment or service portal. Question 7. Table access control rules are processed in the following order. Here in this question, the correct order is table name, parent table name, any table name. As such, the correct option is B. Record ACL rules consist of table and field names. The table name is the table that you want to secure. If other tables extend from this table, then the table is considered a parent table. ACL rules for parent tables apply to any table that extends the parent table. The field name is the field that you want to secure. Some fields are part of multiple tables because of table extension. ACL rules for fields in a parent table apply to any table that extends the parent table. Question 8. What is the platform name for the user table? Here in this question, the platform name for the user table is sys underscore user. As such, the correct option is D. D is correct. You search for sys underscore user dot list to access the user table. Question 9, which would not appear in the history section of the application navigator. Here in this question, UI pages would not appear in the history section of the application navigator. As such, the correct option is B. UI pages and other non-standard interfaces are not tracked. Question 10. Which of the following is used to initiate a flow? Here in this question, a trigger is used to initiate a flow. As such, the correct option is A. Question 11. For administrators creating new service catalog items, what is a characteristic they should know about service catalog variables? Here in this question, the characteristic that they should know about service catalog variables is that service catalog variables are global by default. As such, the correct option is B. In the Catalog Administration module of additional ServiceNow fundamental content in the On Demand course, it says service catalog variables are flagged as global by default and will display in the execution task of a requested item. Question 12. Which one of the following statements is true about column context menus? Here in this question, the statement that is true is that it displays actions such as creating quick reports, configuring the list, and exporting data. As such, the correct option is A. Question 13. Which ServiceNow products can be used to discover and populate the CMDB? Here in this question, the products that can be used to fulfill these requirements are Discovery and Integration Hub ETL. As such, the correct options are A and B. Question 14. Access control rules may be defined with which of the following permission requirements? Here in this question, access control rules may be defined with roles, conditional expressions, and scripts permission requirements. As such, the correct options are A, B, and D. Question 15. Which statement is true about business rules? Here in this question, the statement that is true is that a business rule can be a piece of JavaScript. As such, the correct option is B. B is the correct answer. BR can be set to run uh, before or after the database action has occurred. BRs are server-side logic or script that execute when database records are queried, updated, inserted, or deleted. Business rules respond to database interactions regardless of access method. For example, users interacting with records through forms or lists, web services, or data imports. Business rules do not monitor forms or form fields, but do execute their logic when forms interact with the database, such as when a record is saved, updated, or submitted. Question 16. Which type of tables may be extended by other tables but do not extend another table? Here in this question, the type of tables that meet this criteria are base tables. As such, the correct option is A. Question 17. Which tool is used to have conversations with logged in users in real time? Here in this question, Connect Chat is the tool used to have conversations with logged in users in real time. As such, the correct option is A. Connect Chat is a real time messaging tool that enables users to chat with individuals and groups, quickly share files, and collaborate on any record by connecting with the right people instantly. It is not supported in Next Experience 1. Agent Chat is the newer version of Connect Chat in ServiceNow. One of the first differences you shall notice is that Agent chat is not available in the standard ServiceNow user interface. Agents receive chats as well as other work items within Agent Workspace, which is a newer and more modern user interface. Question 18. What is a formatter? Here in this question, the correct answer is that a formatter is a form element used to display information that is not a field in the record. As such, the correct option is B. Question 19. What is the function of user impersonation? Here in this question, the function of this is testing and visibility. As such, the correct option is A. Question 20. When working on a form, what is the difference between insert and update operations? Here in this question, the difference between insert and update operations is that insert creates a new record and update saves changes. Both exit the form. As such, the correct option is B. B is correct. Click Submit or Update to save changes and return to the previously viewed page. Insert saves the item as a new record and returns to the previously viewed page. Question 21. How is the event log different from the event registry? Here in this question, these two are different as event log contains generated events, whereas the event registry is a table of event definitions. As such, the correct option is A. A is partially correct. Event registry is a feature that allows ServiceNow to capture events from external systems such as servers, applications, and network devices. The event registry provides a way to collect and analyze events from multiple sources in a single location, allowing organizations to identify patterns and trends in their IT infrastructure. The event registry can be configured to trigger notifications, alerts, and other actions based on specific events, enabling organizations to proactively manage their IT environment. Question 2. What is dictionary override? Here in this question, the correct definition is that a dictionary override sets field properties in extended tables. As such, the correct option is D. Dictionary overrides provide the ability to define a field on an extended table differently from the field on the parent table. For example, for a field on the task table, a dictionary override can change the default value on the incident table without affecting the default value on task or on change. Question 23. Which group of permissions is used to control application and module access? The group of permissions that is used to control these is roles. As such, the correct option is C. Roles are used to control application and module access in most systems that use role based access control as a security model. They are assigned to users or groups and define the permissions and access levels that they have within the system. By defining roles with specific permissions, access to applications and modules can be restricted to only those users who need it, while preventing unauthorized access. Access control rules, UI policies, and assignment rules are used for other purposes within the system, such as enforcing data security or automating tasks. Question 24. What is the import set table? Here in this question, the correct definition is that it is a staging area for imported records. As such, the correct option is C. Import set table is a staging area for imported records in ServiceNow. It is used to import data from various sources into ServiceNow tables. Import set tables provide a temporary holding area for records imported from a data source such as CSV file, an Excel file, or a database table. Once the records are imported into the import set table, they can be transformed and then moved to the appropriate ServiceNow table. The import set table is typically used in conjunction with transform maps, which define how the imported data is transformed and mapped to ServiceNow tables. Question 25. What is a characteristic of importing data into ServiceNow? Here in this question, the characteristic of importing data into ServiceNow is that an existing transform map can be used multiple times on the same port set. As such, the correct option is D. Question 26. What module in the Service Catalog application does an administrator access to begin creating a new item? Here in this question, the module that the administrator accesses in such a scenario is maintain items. As such, the correct option is B. The module that an administrator would access to begin creating a new item in the service catalog application would be B. Maintain items. Question 27. How are workflows moved between instances? Here in this question, the correct answer is that the workflows are moved using update sets. As such, the correct option is A. Update sets are used to move customizations and configurations from one ServiceNow instance to another. Workflows, being a type of customization, can be moved between instances using update sets. When you create an update set, you can add workflows to it, along with any related components such as tables, fields, business rules, and UI pages. Once you have created an update set, you can then export it from the source instance and import it into the Target instance. This allows you to move workflows and other customizations between instances as needed. Question 28. A knowledge article must be which of the following states to display to a user. Here in this question, knowledge article must be in a published state to display to a user. As such, the correct option is A. Question 29. What is the purpose of a related list? Here in this question, the purpose of a related list is to present related records. As such, the correct option is D. Question 30. Which term best describes something that is created as work performed upon it and is eventually moved to a state of closed? Here in this question, the term that best describes such a thing is task. As such, the correct option is D. These were all the questions for this video. You can find the complete PDF of this video and our practice questions through the link down in the description. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about the coming videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.